Today we are here with the musician unions and their members with Alliance Francaise Management to celebrate World Music Day in the Gambia, and we'll make sure we give you the best performance for today night. Inshallah. Thank you.
And we introduce our first artist by the name Our Bling. Could you play something for us, the band?
Yeah. Okay. They the leaders of tomorrow. Guide them, never put them in the sorrow. Don't kill their dreams, they sharp like an arrow. No more child labor, what's it that I miss a battle? Huh, Hale you know, young si bad to me. The dollar loho, sarah to crumple, get the feet. You son Hale young enjoy him. So I'm asking ya, what do you gotta give? Top lemma, let's fight against FGM. Young joy don't come in your cut to your peace.
I hope you enjoyed the songs. Our Bling is an activist. He is somebody who speaks about women's violation and some of the violation women goes through in our households. So thank you so much, Our Bling. We recognize your presence and put your hands together for Our Bling one more time. The family band and Jali Rohi Kanute. Ladies and gentlemen, Fendela Music Night Edition.